Good evening, everybody. If you can hear me, can I get it in the comment section? If you can hear me, can I get I can hear you in the comment section? Drop something for me. Let me know you can hear me. All right. Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much. I can see our comments. Thank you so very much. Okay, kindness, you were the first to arrive today. You came 26 minutes early because you are so excited about the topic we are learning today. Kindness, you're welcome. Good evening to you. A beautiful evening to you. Joshua, you came early too. Good evening. Samuel, you came early too. Good evening. A beautiful evening to you too. Okay, Joseph, Rebecca, we are here again. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Rebecca. Olajide, I can, I will, and I must. A beautiful evening to you. Abraham, you're welcome. Good evening. Adamu, good evening. Nasirat, good evening. You're welcome. Joshua, good evening. Shidi, good evening. You're welcome. Rebecca, thank you so much for the feedback. Nasirat, thank you so much for the feedback. Noye, good evening. Unity, good evening. Yes, Samuel, good evening. Hope I had a lovely day today. Well, my day was just there. Good evening. You're welcome. Jonathan, good evening. Abraham, good evening. Michael, good evening. Lucky, good evening. Jamil, good evening. Thank you. Chidi, good evening. Abraham, good evening. Joshua, good evening. Jamil, we are waiting for Sandra. Okay, okay. Okay. Esther, good evening. Chijoke, good evening. Raphael, good evening. Josephine, good evening. Rebecca, Adiola, good evening. Anthony, good evening. Yes, it was okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for asking. Samuel, okay, Samuel, you're welcome. Thank you so much for that. Good evening. Sambo, good evening. Another day to get more knowledge. Oh yes. Abosede, good evening. Chidi, you're ready for today. God's power, good evening. So if you can hear me and you're present on the call, can I get something from you in the comment section? Let me know you can hear me, you are present on the call. Just do well to drop something for me in the comment section. HOO, good evening. Olalere, good evening. So yes, a beautiful evening to everybody. Ernest, good evening. I see you. Good evening. So how did our day go? It's another day again. So how did our day go? As usual, I always want to know how our day went. I always want to know if it was stressful, if it was productive, if we learned something today, if we gained something today. So how did our day go? Let me know in the comment section. Margaret, good evening, good evening, good evening. You're welcome. Maria, good evening. Tosin, thank you so much. Good evening. Thank you so much. Good evening. Joseph, thank you so much. Good evening to you. You're welcome. So, if you are just joining the live, please make sure you keep liking the live. If you are just joining us, make sure you keep liking the live so we are not going to get disconnected. Please make sure you keep liking the live. Jonathan, good evening. You're welcome. Chidi, your day was fantastic. Okay, that's beautiful to hear. Your day was fantastic. Okay. Should I say I'm jealous of you? But anyways, Favor, good evening. My day was splendid and productive. Okay, it was productive. That's a beautiful one. Esther, my day went well. Okay, I'm not saying anything like my day was cold, my day was good. I think the last class we were saying our day was cold, so I guess it did rain today. And yeah, my day was good. Okay, that's good to hear. Super, good evening, you're welcome. Nasirat, not really good because I was down with malaria. Oh, so sorry to hear that. Have you gone to the hospital? Have you treated yourself? Jamil, no man down, no man down. So excited. Yes, we are excited too. Comedy, good evening, you're welcome. Seaman, yes, thank God it's Friday. Oh, yes, it's a Friday. Happy Friday to everybody. Thank you for reminding me. Happy Friday to everybody. Alfred, good evening. You're welcome. Justice, good evening. You're welcome too. Nasirat, I hope you are good now. I hope you are getting better. Alfred, yes, good evening. So, how did our day go? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. And if you are just joining, please make sure you like the live. Make sure you like the live. Samuel, my day was productive. I am ready to dive into what we have today. Sandra is still on the road. Sandra, please do fast, please, before you get lost again. Sandra, do fast. We are about to start the class. Okay, some have told Sandra to hurry up. Maria, good evening. Your day was productive. You did your project. Okay. Yes, I'm going to ask us a few questions about our project too. Okay, Kelvin, good evening, you're welcome. Abiodun, good evening, you're welcome. Chijeke, the project stressed me out today because my laptop got spoiled. But I figured out how to do the assignments with my phone using spreadsheets. Wow, that must have been really stressful. What happened? How come? Why did you get spoiled in the middle of the training? Okay, Joshua said my day was beautiful. I had to visit a pregnant dog and check on its well-being, and it was a cold day, although it did rain. Okay, I hope your dog is doing fine. Julius, good evening. You're welcome. Emmanuel, so stressful. Wow. I'm so sorry to hear that. The emphasis on your so it must have been really, really stressful. I'm so sorry to hear that. Jonathan said my day was productive and enjoyable because I enjoyed doing my project. Okay. And Nasira said, I'm good now. Thank you for your concern. All right. That's very good to hear. Please do well to take care of yourself. Rest after the class. Make sure you have enough rest. Enough rest. Drink lots of water too. Okay, Ensha, good evening. Your day was great. Okay, my day was also great. Thank you for asking. Patrick, good evening. Lawrence, good evening. So I've been seeing comments about project. Okay, Chidima, good evening. Your day was stressful, but it was good. Okay, so at least it was good. That's good to hear. So I've been seeing comments about our project. So we are days into the training now, and we've done a series of projects. So let me ask us how did you feel when you were doing your project, especially when you were doing your first project, when you were doing your second project? How did you feel when you were doing the project? What was the feeling that what was the feeling that was running through you, like that? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? The emotions, yes, the emotions that was running through you while you were doing your project. So let me know in the comment section. Okay, God's power, my day was productive. Okay, that's good to hear. Looks like most of us, our day was productive. That's a good one. Joshua, okay, your dog is doing so fine. Okay, that's good to hear. Paul, you're welcome. Good evening. So, if you've not subscribed to the channel and you are on the call, you're very wrong. You are very wrong. You are very wrong. If you are on the call and you've not subscribed to the channel, you are very wrong. So please do that now. Do that now. If you're on this call and you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel now. And I can see some people liking the live already. Thank you so much for doing that. But please keep liking the live. Keep liking the live. It is very, very important. So we are not going to get disconnected. I'm sure you don't want to get disconnected in the middle of the class, especially when you are enjoying the class. So please keep liking the live so we are not going to get disconnected. Keep liking the live. Keep liking the live. And also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that. Okay, Jonathan said, I am not in the WhatsApp community. Jonathan, are you just joining the class for the first time? Olalere said, I felt have superpowers. Superpowers, how? Okay. Okay, I love this your review. Chidi said, I felt like I am a genius. Okay. If you are good evening, you're welcome. Olajide said, I feel great and fulfilled. Okay. Joba, good evening, you're welcome. She said, the link provided do not bring a link for project upload. I was only able to attend to the multi-choice questions. Are you talking about the first project or the second project? Okay, Rebecca said it was indeed a great experience for me handling pivot table after attending an interview and couldn't go to the next stage because of just creating a pivot table. Thanks for bringing it up early. Wow. I'm so sorry to hear that, Rebecca, but at least Ideal Innovate is here to the rescue. I hope you learned a lot from the previous classes. I hope you are good on how to go about it now. Okay, Renat Nigeria, good evening. You're welcome. Uh Jamio, I saw the project is stipulated to expire after 48 hours. Hope there is still chance for submission. Do you mean the second project? As someone said in my mind, I was like, nah, me with this. Sit tech bro in the make confidence won't finish me. Like this is the kind of comment I was expecting. I was expecting to see that confident comment. Like you telling me, oh, I was so confident, like I was this, I was that. Thank you so much, Samuel. Nasira said, feeling like data analytics, feeling like, okay, a data analysis. Okay, feeling like data analytics already. Okay, Nasira, that's a good one. Uh, it's okay. The project task. I'm going to go back to our messages. But let me just take these ones first. The project tasks are exciting. Only that we haven't had an explanations or a relationship of the pivot charts with real life situation. Don't worry, our tutor for today is coming right soon. I felt so good during my project, especially when I succeeded in completing any project, especially the pivot table. Okay, and so that's a good one. That's a good one. Precious, good evening. You're just coming, though you came a bit late, but good evening. Obon, good evening to you. I am not happy that you've not mentioned my name from day one of a training. I'm so sorry. It wasn't meant to be intentional. In fact, if I'm telling you, I'm just noticing your name. I guess you don't really drop comments because there are some names I notice because they drop comments often. So you saying I've not mentioned your name, you probably don't drop comments often. So I guess you are guilty of that too. Okay, Precious, good evening. You're welcome. Busola, good evening. Oh, Jamil, the second project. Sorry, I forgot your question. What question did you ask again? The second project. What question did you ask again? Okay, Telani, good evening. You're welcome. Sani, what a wonderful class. Okay, Precious said the Ideal Innovate is really a help and blessing for me. And I can't joke with it. Okay, Precious, thank you so very much. I can see we are many on the call, and some of us are not dropping our comments. I don't know if we are being stingy with the comments. I don't understand. But during the induction ceremony, I said it that I love an interactive session. I love when our energy is high. I love it when I am asking questions and we are answering me back to back. Like, I do innovate is about the fun, about the learning, and about the energy. So please always do it to respond to questions asked. So it makes us know we are on the same page. It makes us know we are ready for the class because we are going into the class real soon. Okay, good evening, good evening. James, good evening, you're welcome. Iguala, good evening, you're welcome. Mrs. Funny, I'm feeling great today, ready to learn. Okay, you're welcome. Israel, good evening. Jitelala, good evening. Okay, we are coming late. Okay, Destiny, no man down, no man down, no man down. Okay, welcome, welcome, welcome. So if you are just joining the class, please make sure you keep liking the live. I've said it before. Make sure you keep liking the live. And we're going to go straight into today's class. But before we go into today's class, I want to really chip in something. I intentionally asked how we felt during our project. So our projects, our assignments, our tests are very important for certification. They are very important for certification. So it's not going to be like, oh, why did I not earn my certificate? Why did I not earn my certificate? Please don't miss any of your projects. No projects, no certificates. No projects, no certificates. We keep screaming this because after the graduation ceremony, we don't want anybody to come and tell us, why am I not earning my certificate? So please, every project that is given to you, ensure you do all the projects. Ensure you do all the projects because no projects, no certificates. Okay, so if you're ready for today's class, can I get an I can, I will, and I must in the comment section because you can, you will, and you must. So if you are ready for today's class, can I get I can, I will, and I must in the comment section? Only if you are ready for today's class. Let me know if majority of us are ready for today's class. And if I see majority of us are not ready for today's class, we're just going to keep talking. So if you are ready for today's class, can I get an I can, I will, and I must in the comment section? I can, I will, and I must. Can I get it in the comment section? So we're going straight into the class as usual. your 100% laptop, let it be fully charged. Your fully charged laptop, your 100% concentration, zero distraction. Make sure you have all of that ready. So I can, I will, and I must. Can I get it in the comment section? Okay, I can see how I can, I will, and I must in the okay, Rabi. All right, let me see your I can, I will, and I must in the comment section. So now that I can see we are ready for today's class. I have seen our I can, I will, and I must. So I'm going to hand over my mic to the tutor for today. So Mr. Favor Francis, we can, we will, and we must start this class. So are you ready for us today, sir?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right. Good evening, Mr. Favor Francis. We are 100% ready for you. So, the floor is open for you now.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Miss Ella. I really do appreciate you for that wonderful hosting. That's why we call you the Miss Universe of Idol Novate of PDU Africa. Thank you so much, Miss Ella. Come on, let's give it up for Miss Ella. We give it up for Miss Ella. Somebody just put on the comment section, say thank you, Miss Ella. Thank you, Miss Ella, for that wonderful hosting, that wonderful intro into this wonderful session we want to kickstart today. Into this wonderful session we want to kickstart today. So you guys know how we do it already. You guys know how I do my things. You guys know how I flow. Is that okay? So everybody, I want to believe that you're ready. You're ready for data analysis tonight, and you're also ready for me tonight. So if you're ready for me, come on, let's do this. We can't start without doing this. Let's do this. Everybody, first of all, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube if you have not done that and you're still here. I don't know, maybe you are part of those that don't want more people to achieve this training, more people to get this. So please do someone a favor and subscribe. Do someone a favor and like this video. Is that okay? Do someone that favor. And again, let's do this together. Everybody around your environment it is important for them to know what you are currently doing. So everybody put your phone on loudspeaker now. Put your phone on loudspeaker now. Come on, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Put your phone on loudspeaker. Put your phone on loudspeaker. Put your phone on loudspeaker. As you're putting your phone on loudspeaker, tell somebody by your side. I don't know who that person is. Tell the person by your side that no hiding, no hiding, no hiding, no hiding. I want to see it on the comments. No hiding, no hiding, no hiding, no hiding. If it's your mom, if it's your dad, if it's your husband, if it's your wife, if it's your kids, your children, your neighbor, your landlord, or your landlady, right? If it's your anybody by your side, your anybody, your friends, tell them no hiding, no hiding. Enough is enough. You're not gonna hide again. No hiding. They should know that you're on your journey to mastering data analysis. Come on, let's do that. 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 No hiding, no hiding. Tell them, be confident enough to tell them. Tell them, no hiding. I'm not gonna hide. I'm not gonna hide. No hiding. Come on, can I see that dropping on the comment? If I don't see exactly 33 comments on no hiding, I'm not gonna continue. Come on, you guys need to show me you really mean this and you're really in for this. Come on, let's go. No hiding. No hiding. No hiding. If I don't see 33, we'll wait here and we will not go on. Come on, let's go. No hiding. Come on, let's do it. 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 No hiding. Let's do it. Let's do it. No hiding. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No hiding. No hiding. No hiding. Thank you so much. Come on, I feel the energy in here. You guys need to make my energy to energize. If there's an English like that, right? So you guys need to boost my energy. Again, I want to say this. My colleague just said it, Miss Ella. She said, make sure you're doing your tests, make sure you're doing your projects. Not at the end of this program, when we are certifying those that were diligent, you will come to us and say you didn't get your certification, and looking at the fact that you did not submit your test, you did not submit your project. Even missing a single project can cost you your certification. We'll keep saying this. This training is 100% scholarship, but you must earn it. You must earn it. Our sponsors are not paying for this just for you to just come on YouTube and get a certification. No, you must tell us that you are really, really in for this. And how do you do that? By taking your test, by participating on the project, So please make sure you're doing. I know I'm saying this again and again and again. I know why I'm saying this again and again and again, because of the time that it will get to the certification part, and some of you come to our DM, we will crop out those voice notes when we were shouting it. Do your test, do your project. We'll crop it out and we'll send it to your DM. Is that okay? We'll crop it out and we'll send it to your DM. Now I'm telling you the instruction in order for you to make sure you achieve this at the end. And this instruction is not difficult. We give you more than enough time to do your project, and we also give you more than enough time to take your test. Up till now, the project submission link is still open. The first two projects that was given to you, up till now, the submission link is still open and it's going to be closing tonight. It's going to close by midnight. Up till now, the submission link of project 1 and even project 2 that was given to you since yesterday, it is still open. So please do yourself the favor and go submit your project. Very important. And also, if you have not taken your class test for the 2 days, you want to go forth and take your what? Are we together? You want to go forth and take your what? Your class test. Is that okay? Please do this. Now I'm begging you. By the end of this program, I won't be begging you anymore. Is that okay? Now I'm telling you what will help you in order for you to pass and achieve your excellence result at the end of the day. So that nobody, you won't say anybody is the reason why you don't earn your certification and you were diligent. Okay. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. Okay, tonight we are going to be jumping into another wonderful topic tonight, and that topic has to do with what? Formulas and function as a data analyst in Excel. Come on. Formulas and function as a data analyst in Excel. Formulas and function as a data analyst in Excel. Come on, somebody put formulas and function on the comment. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Formulas and function. Come on, somebody put formulas and function on the comment. Let's go. Put formulas and function on the comment. Put formulas and function on the comment. Can I have formulas and function on the comment? Good. Thank you so much. I love the energy in this class already. 100 energy. Okay. Now, what does it mean in order for you to utilize or to use formulas and function in Excel? What does it mean to use formulas and function in Excel? And why is it important even in the when you find yourself in an organization, when you find yourself working for a client? What does it mean, and why do you need to know formulas and function as a data analyst? So let me talk about it. Now, what are formulas and function? Right? What are formulas and function? Now, I'm going to explain what functions are, so you want to follow me accordingly. Remember our slogan, no man down. No man down. No man down. Remember our slogan, no man down. Now, what are functions? Now, functions are predefined formulas. Come on, I need you guys to follow me tonight. Functions are predefined formulas. Function are predefined formulas, right? Now, when they use the word predefined formulas, we are talking about formulas that has already been defined by Excel. Formula that was already created into the Excel intelligence. I don't know whether you're getting what I'm saying. Formulas that comes with Excel. Are we together? So when you say you want to use functions in Excel, you're talking about predefined formula. That word predefined means formula that comes with the software, Excel. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Formulas that comes with the software, Excel. Are we on the same page? Just like some of you, right? You have some things in your body that are follow come. You know this thing they say, follow come. You want to buy a car and you are looking for the things that came with the car. Do you get what I'm saying? You want to buy something and you are looking for that thing that came with that thing as they are not something they replaced. Do you get what I'm saying? So follow come, I think we use that word a lot, especially for those of you in Nigeria. I think we use that word a lot. The same thing as a human being. There are some things that you came with. It's just that these days, a lot of people are trying to disorganize their own. Do you get what I'm saying? There are some things you came with. You might come with a small eyebrow. You might come with a flat nose. You might come with a big eye. And at the end of the day, some people will want to change it. So you are changing the follow come. Are we on the same page? So those things you came with, is that okay? In Excel, those things that the Excel software came with is called functions. Are we together? Those formulas that came with the Excel is called function. Are we on the same page? Those are called functions. So you need to understand the difference. Whereas formulas, when we talk about formulas, now what are formulas? If we know what functions are. What functions are. Now what are formulas? What are formulas? Come on, somebody tell me on the comment. What are formulas? Somebody tell me on the comment. What are formulas? Come on, let's go. What are formulas? Now, formulas, in the other hand, are user-defined what? User-defined what? Calculations, right? User-defined calculations. So those calculations that you define yourself that did not come with Excel. Come on, are you guys with me? Those calculations, those expressions that you define by yourself that do not come with Excel, that do not come with the software, Microsoft Excel, those things are called formulas. Are we together? So any predefined formula is called a function, whereas the user-defined formulas is called a what? A formula in Excel. Come on. Are you with me? Come on, if you're with me, put on the comment section, I feel you. Come on, put on the comment section, I feel you. Put on the comment section, I feel you. If you're getting this and you feel me, put on the comment section, I feel you. If you're getting this, you can bring anybody to your front. You can go to any interview and explain to them what is the difference between function and formulas. Come on, put on the comment section. Let's go. Let me see something coming in now. Come on, let's go. Put I feel you on the comment. Are we together? Thank you so much. I feel you guys too. You know, during my tour, I mean, some of you don't know I'm a musician. During my tour, I remember when I started this tour and I just gave, I feel good. Ah, God. And let me not remember some things during my tour, my musical tour. It's just that I don't want to release my song and all that. I don't want to release. The moment I release all these upcoming artists, the likes of the Bonner and the rest of them, they might not see top 10. So let me leave that part. Okay, are we on the same page? So formulas and functions, right? So that is the difference between formulas and what? And functions. Is that okay? Good. Thank you so much. So now we are going to practically apply those things in what? In Excel. We are going to show you how to use Excel to do formulas, how to use Excel to do functions, so that you know why it is important for you to know how to do these things. Is that okay? Are we together? Great. So everybody, I'm giving you a 10 countdown. Everybody, let's log into our Microsoft Excel online. Come on, can we do that now? So let's get into so that I can show you practically what formulas and function is all about. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Are we together? Come on, log into your Excel. Can we do this now? Log into your Excel. Oh, I've seen one of my biggest fans, Samuel. Samuel say he attended some of my tours. Samuel can explain to you guys how mighty those tours were. Mighty, crazy talk, crowd everywhere, no space, stadium tours. I don't joke now. Somewhere knows now. Somewhere tell them. It's not a matter because I'm with you guys here or on YouTube. Tour something. Tour, if I start tour now, you will not see me here. Okay. Good. Okay, now everybody open your Excel. I love you guys. Open your Excel. Okay. Are you there? So I'm in my Excel now. So you can see my screen. Are we together? You can see my screen quickly. So the moment you can see my Excel screen, just put on the comment section, write on, so that I can write on. Just put on the comment section. The moment you can see my screen, just put on the comment section, write on, so that I can quickly write on. Just put on the comment section, write on, so that I can quickly write on. Just put on the comment section, write on, so that I can quickly write on. Come on, let's go. Just put on the comment section, write on, so that I can quickly write on. Come on, let me get the write on coming now. Let me get the write on. If you can see my Excel screen, just put on the comment section, write on. Okay. Thank you so much. So now, this is what we have here right now. So we have this data file, but I'm going to open a new sheet. Our existing data file we have been using from day one is still here, but I'm going to open a new sheet so that I can show you guys some things. So am I good? Am I good? Am I good? Am I good to open a new sheet? So let's open a new sheet together. So step one, we are going to create new sheet. We are going to create a new sheet. So everybody, remember ABC standard at IDinnovate Data School. No other place in the world you get this. Let's go. The first thing you're going to do, step A, take your mouse cursor and go to the task bar on your screen. You see that place, the task bar at the bottom? Go to the bottom and you see the plus icon. Let's create a new sheet. I'm going to create a new sheet. So I don't want to work on this, my existing data that I already have here that we have been using from the first class, from the first practical class. So I want to create a new sheet so that I can show you guys something that will impress you. Is that okay? Good. So I'll click on add in order to add a new sheet. So I have a new sheet right here. Right? So those of you that did the assignment, the project, you already know how to do this because of it was explained on your project. Is that okay? So I've created a new sheet. You can see it here, sheet one, SHEET1. Are you seeing it? Sheet one. You can see it here, sheet one. Are we together? You can go ahead and rename your new sheet. You can go ahead and decide to rename your new sheet if you want. So I'll just rename it. I don't want to leave it as sheet one. I'm going to rename my new sheet. So how do I rename my new sheet? Come on, let's go together. Let's work on this together. Come on, no sign of weakness. Let's work on this together. So I'm going to double click on this sheet one and it will be highlighted for me to be able to what? Rename it. I'm going to double click on this sheet one so that it can be highlighted. So I'll call this what? I'll call this functions. So this is where I want to show example of function. So I'll call this functions, right? And I'll click enter. Is that okay? So have you created your new sheet? Have you created your new sheet? If you have created your new sheet or you have an empty sheet already in front of you, come on, put on the comment section ABC, 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 so we can proceed. Remember, I'm working with you guys. I'm not teaching myself. I'm working with you guys. So carry me along as I'm carrying you along. Let's go together. Put on the comment section ABC. ABC, 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 so that we can proceed. ABC, 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 so we can proceed. ABC, 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 so we can proceed. Thank you so much. I love the energy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, good. So the first thing we are going to show you here, I'm going to show you how you can create what? How you can use functions in Excel. So first of all, let's just put out something, a little data. Let's just put something little. Is that okay? Let's just enter our data. Let's do data entry. That's what I want to say. Let's do data entry. So anywhere in your data sheet. Is that okay? You can start from the beginning, right? You can start from directly the A. Okay, let's start from the beginning so that we can all be on the same page. Now, you see that this cell, all the cells here, you can see all these cells I'm clicking, all these boxes. All these boxes has titles. Please, this is the first key thing you need to learn today. This is the first key thing you need to learn today. All these boxes are titled, right? Now, these cell boxes are titled. In order for you to know how to effectively do functions and formula, you need to understand how cells are titled. Now, how are cells titled? Cells are titled at the points where the column and the row of the data sheet meets, of the cell meets. I'm going to show you example. Cells are titled where the column of that cell and the row of that cell meets. Is that okay? So now, if you click on any cell here, like for instance, let me give you an example. You look at this cell I am on right now. You look at this cell I'm on right now. Let me zoom in. You look at this cell I am on right now. You can see that this cell I selected is under the column D. This cell I selected is under the column what? D. Do you get what I'm saying? Now, what role is this cell under? This cell is also under the row 3. Come on, are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? I don't need anybody to, no man down. Do you get what I'm saying? Are we together? So this cell is on the column D and also on the row 3. So if you want to name the cell, you will name the cell D3. If you want to name the cell, you're going to name the cell D3. Come on, somebody, if you're understanding what I'm saying, come on. Can I get you? 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 Put D3 on the comment if you're understanding what I'm saying. So this cell, how do you name the cell? You first of all start with the column. The naming convention of a cell is, first of all, you call the column where that cell is located and also the row where that cell is located. That is how you come up with the name of a cell. Do you get what I'm saying? That is how you come up with the name of a cell. Is that okay? So let me do another one. If I come here and select another cell, right? You see I'm on F now. I'm on the F column and I'm still on the row 3. You see that this cell now I just selected is titled F3. And where can you see this naming? You can see this naming at the top left-hand corner of your screen here. Just look at it. Look at it, look at it, look at it. At the top left-hand corner of your screen, you're going to see this what? Naming. Come on, if you guys are with me. Come on, are you seeing it? Okay. Are you guys with me? Good. I love the energy in here. So that is how you identify a cell. Please, the name of a cell is very important. You guys are going to be giving me the name when we start our formulas and functions. You guys will be the one giving me the names. I want to believe everybody has gotten how to identify a cell name. Is there anybody here that have not gotten it? You are here and you don't know what I just explained. You're confused. Please put on the comment section, man down, man down, man down. Let me help you. Put on the comment section, man down. Let me help you. Are we together? So that is how you name a cell. An easier way to get the name of any cell, Excel has already made it easy for you. Just look at the top left-hand corner of your screen beside the formula bar. You're going to see the name there. Any cell you click, you see the name there. Any cell you click, you see the name at this point. Look at where my mouse cursor is shaking. Look at it. Look at where my mouse cursor is shaking. So any cell you click, you see the name at that area. So Excel has been able to give you the name. Is that okay? Eukarya said man down. Eukarya, what's the problem? Is it that you have not seen the cell, or you have not, you don't know how to identify the cell? Let me understand. How to identify the cell. If you click on any cell, Identify what column. I want to believe you know what column is. Column is the vertical A, B, C, D. The vertical label A, B, C, D. That is what columns are. What are rows? Rows are the horizontal labels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are rows. Do you get what I'm saying? Those are rows. Do you get what I'm saying? Columns are the vertical. A, B, C, D. Rows are the horizontals. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So any cell you click, you identify vertically which label is that cell under. Do you get what I'm saying? And you also identify horizontally which label is that cell under. The moment you can identify, you can see the label vertically and see the label horizontally. That is the name of that cell. Do you get it? I want to get that. See, you say man down. So what is the problem? I think this thing is simple to understand. Is there any difficult thing here when you're looking at your screen? Take your mouse cursor. Messi, I'm talking to you now. Take your mouse cursor. Select any cell. I want to believe you know what vertical and horizontal is. What is vertical? When you draw a line from up to down, that is vertical. What is horizontal? When you draw a line from left to right or from right to left, that is horizontal. Is that okay? I believe these things are basic things that we should know. Is that okay? Vertical, when you draw a line from up to down. Horizontal, when you draw a line from left to right or from right to left. Is that okay? So this is what vertical and horizontal means. So A, B, C, D, the label A, B, C, D, E, F, those are the columns which are vertical. The label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those are the rows which are horizontal. Is that okay? Which are horizontal. So the moment you click on any cell, you can identify it by stating which column is that cell you just selected now. Which column is it under? Looking from my own is under column F. And which row is it also under? Looking from my own is under row 3. So if I want to name this cell, I will call it F3. F3. So I want to believe that this has been understood. So let's proceed. Thank you so much. Are we together? Thank you so much. So let's proceed. Let me zoom out. Let's proceed to our function. So what we are going to do now, we are going to insert some data. So let's insert. So I'll insert some data here real quick one. So I'll call this days. Do you get? I'll call this days. Come on, everybody, enter your data like me. I'll call these days. So I'm entering my data now. The first column, I call these days on A. Enter your data. The second one, I will call it items. Come on, are you guys with me? The first one is days. The second under the B column is items. Under the C column is price. Are we on the same page? Under the C column is price. Under the D column, come on, are you guys with me? Item. Under the D column, under the C column is price. Under the C column is price. Under the C column is price. Are you guys seeing what I'm doing? Price. Under the C column is price. Under the C column is price. Are you seeing it? Item, price. Are we together? Under the D column is quantity. So I'll write it in short. I won't write it fully. I'll write it in short quantity. QYT. You can write it fully if you want to write yours fully. That's for you. Is that okay? QYT, quantity. And lastly, under the E, no, not lastly, rather, under the E, I will have what? Sales. I will have what? Sales. Are we together? I will have sales. Are we together? I will have sales. I will have sales. And again, under the F column, are we on the same page? Come on, walk with me. Under the F column, come on, are you guys with me? Come on, walk with me. I will start it again. Under the A column, I enter the data called what? Days. Under the B column, I entered another data called items. Under the C column, I entered the data called price. That's a qualitative data, right? So under the D column, I entered the data called what? I entered the data heading, rather. All these things are the data heading. I entered the data heading called quantity. Under the E column, I entered another data heading called sales. Are you seeing it? Called sales. Again, called sales. Okay, thank you so much. So now let's enter the days. So the days, we are going to do Monday. Everybody type with me. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Under the days, just type the normal days of the week in short. Friday, Saturday. Type the normal days of the week. I want to believe that you can click on the cell and type. I don't want to believe that that's a difficult thing by anybody here. That's a difficult thing for anybody here, rather. I want to believe that that's a simple thing for you. Friday, Saturday, right? And the last one, Sunday. So under the days, everybody type the 7 days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we want to do a simple analysis with functions, right, of a little business, right? A little business that sells some items on Monday, on Tuesday. So you are called as a data analyst to analyze some data for a local business that has a shop, maybe a shop or a restaurant or something, and you want to use your functions and formulas to achieve that real quick. Is that okay? Real quick as a data analyst. So this is exactly what you're going to be doing when you are given a job. So listen. So the next thing, items. Let's put in any item. On Monday, they purchased. On Monday, they purchased. Let's say is an electronic shop. On Monday, there was a purchase of a laptop. Is that okay? On Tuesday, there was a purchase of a TV. Let's just assume that. On Wednesday, there was a purchase of, come on, you people should give me item on the comment. There was a purchase of fan. Is that okay? Come on, give me items on the comment. On Thursday, those things you normally purchase, those electronics you normally purchase. Is that okay? There was a purchase of phones. There was a purchase of phone, right? On Friday, come on, everybody, come on, give me an item. Give me an item. I need an item from the comment. Let's go. I need an item from the comment. I need an item from the comments. Decoder. Thank you so much. Decoder. Somebody said decoder. Let's put it there. Decoder. On Saturday and Sunday, 2 people, give me items. Give me items. Give me items. Give me items. Okay. Somebody said a nice one. Someone said light bulb. Let's do light bulb. And the next one, somebody said, okay, I love this one. Someone said refrigerator. So let's just do that. Let's do the refrigerator. Okay, are we on the same page? So you see, we have items. Under the items, somebody should help others to list the items on the comment that we have here. We have the laptop, we have the TV, we have the fan, we have the phone, we have the decoder, we have the light bulb, we have the refrigerator. Is that okay? So item 1 is laptop under Monday. Item 2 is TV under Tuesday. Item 3 is fan under Wednesday. Item 4 is phone under Thursday. Item 5 is decoder under Friday. Item 6 is light bulb under Saturday. And item 7 is refrigerator under Sunday. Come on. If you've achieved this and you're enjoying this training as we're flowing together, put on the comment section, too sweet. Let's go. Put on the comment section, too sweet. Let's go. 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 Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Too sweet, too sweet. Come on, let too sweet be coming on the comment section. Too sweet, too sweet, too sweet, too sweet. Too sweet, too sweet, too sweet. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Now let's get the prices. Come on, you guys should give me the prices of this stuff. Give me a price of one of these stuff. Let me know the most annoying price, the price that some of you have paid for this stuff. Let me know the person I would pick and pay for what he paid for recently. Those of you that bought electronics recently, give me one of the most annoying price you paid so that I will pick it and pay for you. I will pick somebody here on this call and pay for you. That's if my spirit is with that person. I'm a spiritual man. I'm not an ordinary person. My spirit must be that way with that person. Give me the price. Give me the price. Give me the price. Give me the price. My spirit must be with that person. If my spirit is not with you, my spirit must be with you. Okay, for laptop, somebody said 350,000. So let's put it there. 350,000. Let's go. Okay, for TV, someone should give me price for TVs. Come on, give me price. Give me price for TVs. Give me price for TVs. Whether in Ghana cedis. Okay, we are using one currency. So let's use Naira. Okay, so let's use Naira. Okay, okay. Come on, give me price. Give me price. Give me price. TV. Okay, TV. Come on, let me see those prices that made you angry. Let me know the fan I will pay for. Let me know the fan I will reimburse for that TV. Let me know the fan I will reimburse for that TV. I'm angry tonight. I'm angry that they manipulated you and they gave and you paid so much for that TV. I want to reimburse you. Let me know the person here tonight. But my spirit must tally with your spirit. If you not feel something as I'm talking, then it might not be you. 200,000. Okay. Fan. Come on, let's go for fan. Let's go for fan. Let's go for fan. Let's go for fan. Fan is how much over there? Fan is how much? How much do you guys purchase fan? Okay, fan. Someone said 120,000. Good. Thank you so much. Let's go for phone. How much? How much for phone? How much do you purchase your phone? Your iPhone devices, your Samsung, all those wonderful, incredible devices you use. How much do you get those things? How much do you get those stuffs? Okay, someone said phone 300 and we have used 350. Let's find another price. Let's find another price. Come on, I'm looking at the comments now. Let's go. Give me phone. Okay, somebody said 500,000 for phone. Okay, decoder. Let's work with decoder now. Come on, those decoder you use, the DSTV, the Go TV in your various countries, whichever decoder you use, what are the prices? Come on, give it to me. Okay, give it to me. Decoder now. Come on, I'm doing decoder now. Come on, let's do decoder. Okay, someone said 48,000 for decoder. Okay, light bulb, those bulbs that helps you to see your road at night. Light bulb, come on, let's do light bulb now. Come on, walk with me. I love the engagement. I love how you guys are participating in this class. It shows that we are one. Come on, walk with me. Let's do light bulb now. Okay, somebody say light bulb 10,000. Okay, let's work with that. Okay, refrigerator. Come on, refrigerator now. Let's go. Okay, someone says refrigerator 750,000. I'm almost angry with that. Price to reimburse that person, but I'm not too sure my spirit tallied with that person. That person that says 7050, can you feel something? Can you feel the spirit? I don't know whether my spirit tallied with that person to reimburse that because I was very angry with that price. I wanted to reimburse that person, but I can't feel my spirit there. I can't feel my spirit there. The 750, can you feel it? I can't feel my spirit there. Okay, great. So we are done with the price. The next thing is the quantity. So everybody, for the price, for laptop, we use 350,000. For TV, we use 200,000. For fans, we use 120,000. For phone, we use 500,000. For decoder, 48,000. For light bulb, 10,000. For refrigerator, 750,000. Is that okay? So let's do quantity. So let's say for laptop we had one. Are we together? For phone, let's say we had for phone. Let's say we had 3. For fan, let's say we had 2. Is that okay? Let's say we had 2, right? For we had 2. For phones, let's say we had 2 again. For fans, we had 3, right? For decoder, let's say we had 1. For light bulb, let's say we had 4. For refrigerator, let's say we had 1. Is that okay? So the quantity for laptop, 1. For laptop, 1. For TV, 3. For fan, 3. For phone, 2. For decoder, 1. For what do you call it? For light bulb, 4. And for refrigerator, 1. Come on, are you guys with me? Are you guys working with me now? Are you guys working with me now? Are you guys working with me now? So we have 1 for laptop, 3 for TV, 3 for fan, 2 for phone, 1 for decoder, light bulb 4, refrigerator 1. Are you with me? If you're with me, put on the comment section, put on the comment section, put on the comment section ahead. Put on the comment section ahead. Come on, let's go. If you're with me, put on the comment section ahead. Come on, walk with me. If you're with me, put on the comment section ahead. Come on, can we go ahead? If you're with me, put on the comment section ahead. Ahead. Okay, ahead. That's moving forward. Ahead. We are moving forward. Okay, good. So after we are done with this, the next thing we want to do now, come on, walk with me. The next thing we want to do now, are we together now? Come on, walk with me. Walk with me, somebody. Come on, let's go. The next thing we want to do now is to what? Is to achieve what we call what? We want to achieve functions and formulas. So the first thing we are going to achieve are functions. We are going to show you some functions, and the next thing we are going to achieve is what we call formulas. Remember, functions are predefined formulas, but formulas are user-defined functions. Is that okay? User-defined functions. So when you are the one that inserted your formula by yourself, we call that formulas. Is that okay? But when it is Excel that gives you that formula, we call it function. Okay, good. So everybody go to a blank space. Now, this is where we want to get our result for our clients. Is that okay? We want to get the result for our client on a blank space. Is that okay? So what is our client asking us that they need from this data, from this simple data? Is that okay? So the first thing our client is looking for, ABC technique. Let's work together now. The first thing our client is looking for, our client wants to know the total money spent, the total cost of goods, from Monday to Sunday, the total cost of goods from Monday to Sunday, or price. Let me use the word price because it's price that is there. The total price of goods from Monday to Sunday, the total price of goods that was sold from Monday to Sunday. Is that okay? Are we together? From Monday to Sunday. So our client wants to know the total price of goods that was sold from Monday to Sunday. So let's put it in this new section. We call it total price. Are you guys seeing what I'm doing? Total price. Are you guys seeing what I'm doing? Total price. So what again do our sponsors, what do they want to know? Our client wants to know the total price. Our client wants to know the total quantity overall. The total quantity from all the goods sold in the shop. What is the total quantity that left the shop? What is the total quantity that left the store? What is the total quantity that left the store? What is the total quantity that left the shop? So our client is asking for this. As we are their financial data analysts, they are asking for this thing. So let's give it to them. So we'll put it total quantity. So we'll get our total quantity result here. Are you guys seeing what I'm doing? Are you guys seeing what I'm doing on the screen? Follow me bumper to bumper. Follow me closely. Follow me bumper to bumper. Follow me closely. Follow me bumper to bumper. Follow me closely. Good, good. Okay. You guys are following me close. I like the energy. So, what is the next thing? So, another thing again, our client wants to get, they want to get total sales. That means at the end of the week, they want to know the total sales. They want to know the total. So, we are going to get all this result. They want to know the total sales. That means from the shop, the total amount of money that was made, the revenue that was made for that week. Our sponsors, our clients, our manager, our CEO, our boss wants to know this. So let's get it. Total sales. Are we together? Total sales. Are you guys with me? Come on. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? No man down. Let's go. So the next thing our boss wants to know, come on, we are going to put all of them. The next thing our boss wants to know, let's go down. I don't want to go to the extreme so that you see my screen. The next thing our boss wants to know, are you guys with me? Our boss wants to know the minimum price. Our boss wants to know the minimum price of goods, the minimum sales price of goods. That means the minimum goods, the goods that have the minimum sales for that week, the goods that have the minimum sale for that week, the good that has the minimum sales for that week. Is that okay? The good that has the minimum sales for that week. So let's put it minimum sales. You guys with me? So all these things, we are going to get the result. What does our sponsor wants to know again? Our sponsor wants to know the good that has the maximum sales for that week. So let's put it max sales. Are you guys seeing what I'm doing now? Max sales. So again, our sponsor wants to know this, wants to know the minimum sales, wants to know the max sales. Another thing our sponsor wants to know, or our client, is the average sales for that week. Average sales. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? The average sales. Are you guys with me? So, what are the three things we are looking for? What are the three things we are looking for? We are looking for what are the 6 things we are going to be giving to our client? We are going to be giving them the total sales. We are going to be giving them the total quantity. We are going to be giving them the total price. We are going to be giving them the minimum sales. We are going to be giving them the maximum sales. That's max. When I use the word min and max, it means minimum, and the other one means maximum. The maximum sales. And lastly, we are going to be giving our sponsor the average sales. Are you guys with me? Again, let me do it again. Let me say it again. The first result we are going to be sending to our client, or we are going to be sending to our boss, our manager, so that they can be able to pay us our salary at the end of the month, so that they can be able to pay us our wages after this freelance job, is number one, total price. The second thing they are looking for is the total quantity. The third thing they are looking for is the total sales. The fourth thing they are looking for is the minimum sales. The fifth thing they are looking for is the maximum sales. And the last thing they are looking for is the average sales. If you got what I've done and you have gotten to this point, put on the comment section, I feel good. Come on, let's go. Come on, can I get a feel good on the comment section? Can I get a feel good on the comment section? I need nothing less than 47 I feel good before I continue. Let me know whether I'm just talking or you guys are following me. Let's go. 47 I feel good. 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 We need nothing less than 47 I feel good. Let's go. Nothing less than 47 I feel good before I continue. Okay, as I'm about to continue, as you are feeling good, let's go for juice break. Remember, I have some melons by my side. Let's go for juice break and some popcorns. You can add some popcorns for today. I have some popcorns popping up right here, front center. So let me just take one handful of popcorn and then sip something. So everybody, come on, let's go. Juice break, water break, sip something in the next 20 seconds. Let's go as you're feeling good. Let's go. Okay. I'm waiting for you. Oh, okay. We are back from our break. We are back from our break. Thank you so much. So if you've taken your sip, you've taken your water, you've taken your sip. Come on, let's proceed. Can we fire on now? Can we go 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 on now? We can go on. Put on the comment section right on. Put on the comment section right on. I love the energy here. Put on the comment section right on. Put on the comment section right on. David said, I'm not understanding. David, are you just joining the course? Start from the beginning. I want to assure you that if you start from the beginning, you understand. Except you just join the class and you want to understand from half of the class. It's not possible. If you want to understand from half of the class, it's not achievable. Go back to the beginning video and start from the beginning. If you start from the beginning, you understand the class. You cannot just jump into the class and start halfway and you want to understand what we have been doing. It's not possible. Go back, rewind your video, go back and start from the beginning. I've said this all the time. It is not compulsory you follow me on real time. If you're a very slow learner, please, you can watch the video at your own pace. So you don't need to follow on. That's why we are streaming on YouTube. You can be watching your own the video based on your own pace. It's not compulsory that as I am saying anything live, you are getting it directly live. Is that okay? Everybody has learning patterns. Is that okay? So please, you can rewind the video as you're watching it live now and rewind it and watch at your own pace. Please, I beg you. Is that okay? Please, I beg you. Please, I beg you. You can rewind the video and watch at your own pace. So David, rewind the video, start from the beginning, and watch at your own pace. Is that okay? Right? So because if you join us from this point, you cannot understand what we are doing and we can't go back. I've said a lot. Is that okay? Thank you so much. Anybody that has been following us up to this point, I want to believe they understood everything we have done so far. It's very simple. I've been saying, repeating things again and again and again. Is that okay? Okay. So now let's get the total. So the first thing we are going to be doing is functions. We are going to be doing functions, right? Function, function, function. So how do we get the total price? We are going to get the total price. But before we get the total price, let's get the sales. Let's get the sales price for this. Is that okay? Let's complete this. Let's complete this data set. 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 Can we complete the data set? Maxwell, you said when entering the figure example 4,000, how do the both is correct, Maxwell, the both is correct. Either you put a comma or you don't put a comma. Excel still understands it as 4,000. It's your choice. The both is correct, Maxwell. 40,000, right? Is correct. The both is correct. Whether you put a comma or you don't put a comma, Excel still understands what you're saying. The both are correct. Okay. So what we do now is we are going to go to sales. Now, please, everybody follow me closely. This is the point now that some of you that are getting distracted, if you don't follow me, you start missing it from this point. So let's go with our ABC technique. Let's start now. Step A, we want to calculate, we want to use formula. We want to use formula this time around, not function first. We want to use formula to calculate the sales value. Why are we using formula? We are using formula because we want to impute the formula we want Excel to use in calculating the sales value. We want to define the formula by ourselves. We want to what? Define the formula by ourselves. So in order to calculate the sales value of the first one for Monday, come on, walk with me. In order to calculate the sales value for the first one, Monday, how do we do it? Everybody, the first step is to type on your keyboard. Anytime you want to create a formula in Excel or a function, the first thing to do is to type the equal to sign on your keyboard. Come on, walk with me, guys. Walk with me. 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 No sign of weakness. No sign of weakness. Let me zoom in more so that you can see what I'm doing. No sign of weakness. Walk with me. So we want to calculate the sales value for Monday. For Monday. So we'll do the equal to sign. This is step A. Step A, type your equal to sign on your keyboard. Look for it. On most keyboard, the equal to sign is always with the plus sign. With the plus sign on your keyboard. Type the equal to sign. The equal to sign. Are you seeing it? And then what do we want to calculate? That equal to sign has told Excel that you want to perform a formula. You putting that equal to sign has told Excel you want to perform a formula. Is that okay? Has told Excel you want to perform a word formula. So let's go together. Let's work together as brothers. Let's work together as pals. Let's work together as sisters. Let's achieve this together. One love. Okay. So the next thing we are going to do, in order for us to get the total quantity in normal mathematics, for you to get the quantity of a price where a quantity is given, someone should tell me how to do that in maths. Someone should tell me how to do that in maths. You have a quantity of something. Somebody bought somebody bought one laptop that the price is 350,000. How do you get the quantity? How do you get the total sales or the revenue or the sales price for that particular laptop? Come on, can we do this? Give me on the comment. Those of you that are mathematicians, give me on the comment. Those of you that are mathematicians, how do you get the sales price? How do you get the sales price? Those of you that are mathematicians. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on, can I see something? Is it that you guys don't know how to get quantity of something? You guys don't know how to get quantity of something? Come on. You guys use money. You spend money every day now. You buy stuff every day. This is a big understanding. An 8-year-old could understand it. You buy stuff every day. You use money every day. I want to believe everybody understands this. Good. Somebody is saying 35 pieces. I don't understand. What do you mean by 35 pieces? I don't get you. You have the quantity of something and the price is 350 and you're buying one or you're buying two. How do you achieve it? You will simply say, somebody say plus. You don't plus it now. You have the quantity. You guys are doing as if you're not using money every day. You don't purchase things every day. Some of us, we purchase things every day. You have the quantity. Someone say, I'm giving you three egg, right? I'm giving you 3 egg, and the price of 1 egg is 20,000. For instance, how do you get the total price of the 3 egg? Is it not 20,000 times the 3 egg? 20,000 times the 3 egg? 20,000 times the 3 egg? That is it now. So let's do it together. So we are going to do 350,000, which is the price, times the quantity. In order for us to be able to achieve this, let's go back to what I taught you earlier. And what did I teach you earlier? I taught you earlier the cell name. What did I teach you earlier? I taught you guys earlier the cell name. In order for Excel to understand what you want to add as formula, you need to identify that using the cell name. You cannot just go here and type price times sales times quantity. No, right? Or you start typing 350,000 times 1. No, use the cell names. Use the cell names. Now, how do you use the cell name? 350,000 is under what cell name? Come on, someone should give me on my screen. Someone should tell me. 350,000 is under which cell? Identify that cell for me. We must do this together. You guys must get this. I will not be the only one calculating in this class tonight. It's not possible. We must achieve this together as one family. I will not be the only one calculating tonight. 50,000 is under which cell? Someone should tell me on the comment. Is under which cell? Someone should tell me on the comment. Is under which cell? C2. Thank you. So I'm going to put C2. Are you seeing it now? C2 multiplied by quantity is under which cell? Multiply. Everybody, use your multiply. The multiply on your keyboard is for most keyboard is above the 8, the number 8 key. So you hold down your shift and you tap your number 8 key on your keyboard. You hold down your shift key on your keyboard and you tap your number 8. That is the multiplication sign. That is the multiplication sign. Somebody is saying E2. Okay, if it's E2 on yours, no problem. But on mine, it is C2 for the price. For the quantity, come on, someone should give me the quantity now. Let's do quantity. We're working with this together. We're one family. Quantity. What is the cell name for the quantity? Work with me. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love the energy in this class. It shows that we are one family here, wherever you're connecting from. Come on, someone should give me for quantity. Quantity. What is the cell name for quantity? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Quantity. Let's go. Let's go. Don't worry. If we achieve this thing tonight, I will celebrate you guys. You guys will have the opportunity of hearing my first single tonight. If you guys do well tonight, I will celebrate you with one of the world's best musical album tonight. I will celebrate you guys. Give it to me. Okay. Good, good, good. The next one is D2. Good. So D2, C2 multiplied by D2. Are you guys seeing it? C2 multiplied by D2. And then we press enter. Come on, are you seeing it? Now it gives me the result. What did just happen? It gave me the result. Come on, do that on yours. 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 I love this class. Come on, let's do for one more. The moment we do one more, I will show you guys a magic now. I'll show you guys magic. I told you guys I'm a spiritual man. You guys think I'm joking. I said I'm a spiritual man. Some people think it's still play. Some people think it's still play. After we do the second one, I'll show you guys one magic now. Let's work together. So the second one, the star sign is your multiplication sign, Paul. Paul, you look at your keyboard, Paul. You hold down your shift key. On most keyboard, the star sign is always on the number 8. It's on top of the number 8. So for you to get it, you will hold down your shift key and tap the number 8 on most keyboard. So I think the kind of keyboard you're using, if the star sign is not on your number 8, then you need to look for it where it is on your keyboard. Is that okay? Good. Is that okay? So you need to look for it where it is on your keyboard, but on most keyboard is on top of the number 8. Is on top of the number 8. Let's proceed. So let's do for the second one. Everybody work with me. So let's get it. This second one now, I won't waste time here because of you guys are going to be giving it to me back to back. So let's do, we're going to do equal to, oh yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Come on, those from Nigeria, those from Ghana, those from South Africa, those from the UK. Come on, do this with me. Don't fold your hands. Don't fold your hands. Don't fold your hands for me tonight. Tonight. Don't fold for me tonight. Don't fold for me tonight. Those from Nigeria, don't fold your hands for me tonight. This is where they will know that the university you went to, the school you went to is not scam. Shame them. Shame them tonight. Shame them tonight. This is when they will know that the school you went to is not scam. After tonight, you get this result. Go and shout. Anybody that tell you that the school you went to is scam, slap the person. I give you that authority tonight. I give you that authority tonight. Slap the person. I give you that authority tonight. I give you that authority. Slap the person. I give you that authority tonight. Okay. The next one is what? We will say C3. Thank you. C3 multiplied by C3 multiplied by E. C3 multiplied by what? Come on, give it to me. By D3. C3, D3. Thank you so much. If you said E2 and D2, is it from your own? Is it from your own system or mine? If it's from your own system, then that's correct. But it's from mine. If it's from mine, that's wrong. If unless it's from your own system, maybe that's where your own columns are. Is that okay? So it is C3 multiplied by D3. C3 multiplied by D3. And we click enter. So now we have been able to get the first result and the second result. Is that okay? We have gotten the first sales and the second sales. Are you seeing it now? So we are going to do something we call flash filling. Is that okay? Something we call flash filling. Or what some other people call, what they call in Excel, relative referencing. Is that okay? So we are going to do what we call flash filling or relative referencing. Now, don't allow this thing to confuse you. Don't allow it to look as if it's too big for you, the language. What it means is that Excel, let me calm down and say this one. Excel has a feature. We call it an intelligent feature, like an algorithm feature, what you can call an AI feature that can help identify what was done from the previous cell and apply it to other cell. Is that okay? Excel has a copy feature, a modeling feature, where if you show it what was done in the cell, it can easily get you the result in the next cell without you doing that thing again. Are we simple? Again. Is that okay? Do you guys get what I'm saying? Excel a feature that instead of you to repeat what you have done again and again and again, if you can just tell it what you have done, it can automatically give you the result for the rest. Is that okay? So we call it flash filling. So let's do that. Let's do that together. Let's do that together. So everybody, what you're going to do now to get the remaining results, are you seeing it? What we are going to do now to get the remaining results, are you seeing what I'm doing? Right? Are you seeing what I'm doing? Let me zoom out. So instead of you to start doing the equal to one by one, if you have a lot of data, you might not be able to achieve that. Let's assume you have over 2,000 data here. We just have very few data. We just have like 7 data here. Is that okay? If you have over 2,000 data here, you cannot be doing this thing one by one. It will take you a whole lot of time, right? So Excel is trying to make sure that those things that are difficult reduce the time frame for you to achieve those things. Are you guys with me? If you're with me on this comment section, put on the comment section, I love Ideanovate. Come on, just say that from your heart. If you love the way we are giving it to you, you're learning this thing, just put on the comment section, I love Ideanovate. Put it on the comment section. I just want to see that. I want to see that to motivate us, to keep pushing us, and also motivate somebody on this call. Put on the comment section, I love Ideanovate. Just put it, just sincerely. If you mean it. If you don't mean it, don't need to put it, but if you mean it, put it on the comment section, I love Ideanovate. Let's go. Put it on the comment section, I love Ideanovate. Let's go. Put it on the comment section, I love Ideanovate. Let's go. Put it on the comment section, I love Ideanovate. Let's go. If you mean it, just put it, just from your heart. Are we together? So the next thing we are going to do, everybody, take your mouse cursor. Now we want to do flash filling. I'm waiting for you guys. Be putting it. I'm waiting. Come on. The next thing we are going to do now, moving forward, we are going to take our mouse cursor. We are going to take our mouse, select the first result, and then we highlight. Are you together? So we are telling Excel, use these 2 formats, use these 2 styles, and give the result for the rest. Please listen. This thing will confuse some people, but trust that you are at Ideanovate. I don't want you to get confused. This thing I want to do now will confuse some people, but because of you are in the #1 spot for online learning in data analysis, you're not going to be confused. Trust me. This thing I want to do might confuse some people, but because of you are on the #1 spot for learning data analysis currently on the internet, you're not going to get confused. Is that okay? So what we are going to do now is that we are going to select the first 2 cells, the first 2 results we got. How do you select? Hold your left click, step A. Let's work together now. ABC technique now. Let's go. Step A. Hold your left click and select the first cell, which is the 350,000, and then you drag to select the 2 cells. So you select the 350 and the 600,000. Have you done that? If you have done that, I need you guys to work with me on this one. Say yes on the comment. Say yes on the comment. Say yes on the comment. If you have done that, say yes on the comment. If you have done that, say yes on the comment. Let's go. Let's go. We'll take this. We'll not rush. We'll make sure everybody gets this because this is very important. Let's go. 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 Have you done that? If you have done that, say yes on the comment. Say yes on the comment. Just be putting yes. Let me see some yeses for me to proceed. Put yes on the comment. 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 If you have done that, put yes on the comment. Okay. So now you have selected these 2 things, right? If you look, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. If you look at the selection, there is a little dot at the bottom right hand corner. Come on, are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Are you with me tonight? Are you with me tonight? Are you with me tonight? If you look at the bottom right hand corner, there is a little dot. Can you see that little dot now? Walk with me. I'm not going to rush you. Trust me. You're in the best place. Don't be. No sign of weakness. No sign of weakness here. Trust me, you're in the best place. If you look at that little dot now, you take your mouse, move to that little dot. Look at the little dot at the bottom right-hand corner of that your selection. That's your selection. There is a bigger little dot at the bottom right hand corner. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at where my mouse cursor is dangling. Are you seeing it? 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 The moment you can see it, just put on the comment section, seen. You guys are working with me tonight. I must get feedback. I'm not teaching myself. I do innovate. We are not here to teach ourselves. We are not here to just do anything for you. Whether you get it or not is not our concern. That's not what we are doing here. We are here to make sure that the reason why you're spending your time, you are spending it and in a positive manner. So that someone that is not attending this lecture, that is sleeping, will cry because he or she did not attend this lecture. So listen to me. Are we together? Seen. So you take your mouse cursor, you go to that place. Are we together? You go to that place and then you hold your left click. Come on, walk with me now. Don't immediately you hold your left click. Don't shake your hand. Don't allow sign of weakness to make you to release your hand when you are not done. Don't allow the sign of weakness to make you to release your hand. So everybody, move your hand, stretch your hand, stretch your hand. Let's stretch our hand before we start. Let's stretch our, open your hand. Let's do some exercise. Open your fingers, close it. 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 Let's go. Exercise in our class. There's exercise. Every dimension to learn this thing tonight, we must implement those dimensions. Let's do some exercise. Open your fingers, close it. 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 Are you good now? Now you have stretched your hand so that there will be no sign of weakness when you start dragging now. Because some of you, when you start dragging, your hand will be shaking and you release where you're not supposed to release. Is that okay? No sign of weakness. Now let's drag. So we are going to click on that little dot. You can zoom in, click on that little dot, and then once we click, now the moment I hold my mouse, I will not leave my mouse. The moment I click on that little dot, I will start dragging down. Not sideways, not sideways. Don't drag sideways. You drag down, drag down, drag down, drag down. Are you seeing that? I'm still holding it. Even though it wants to do as if it wants to whine me, I will say no. I'm showing no sign of weakness here. Come on. I'm showing no sign of weakness here. Sometimes it wants to do as if it wants to whine me to another, to the left-hand side. I say no. I'm not releasing my mouth. I'm not releasing my mouth. It wants to do as if it wants to whine me. It wants to do as if it wants to do me. The more you see, the less you look. Well, I said no. I hold down my mouth. I hold down my mouth. I'm showing no sign of weakness. So the moment you get to the last one, you release. The moment you get to the last one, you release. Let me zoom out now. 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 The moment you get to the last one, you release. The moment you release, you are going to see that Excel has just given you the result for everything without doing the formulas one by one. Come on, celebrate yourself. You have achieved it. Give yourself one of the best emoji on the comment section. Celebrate yourself. Celebrate yourself. I want to celebrate you personally. Put your name. Don't be giving yourself on the comment. I will call your name. I want to celebrate you. 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 Put your emoji on the comment. Let me call your name and celebrate you tonight. Put your name on the comment. Let me call your name and celebrate you. If one of the biggest artists in Africa celebrates you, you have made it to. Let me call your name and celebrate you. Let me call your name and celebrate you. Put it on the comment section. Let me call your name and celebrate you. Let me call your name and celebrate you. Okay, Taye, big Taye. Rebecca over here. Chidima over here. Come on, I see Chidima. I see you. Precious, big Precious. Me, big Precious over here. Come on, I see you, Esther. I see you, Esther. I see you, Esther. Kosi, I see you. Titilayo, I see you. Margaret, I see you. Victoria, come on, I feel you, Victoria. Chidi, I feel you. Ukachuku, I feel you. Come on, I feel this class. You sure you guys are making me happy tonight? You guys are making me happy tonight. I feel you guys. Chidi, I feel you. Margaret, I feel you. Ifeanyi, I feel you. God's gift, I feel you. Come on, you guys are making. Don't worry. I must release that album that even when they called me into Inakaku's meeting, there's nothing I did not see. Even when some legend called me to come and release my album because of when they heard the sound, they were mad. My legend advised me to release this album, to release this first single. I said no, but because of you guys, I will release that single for you guys tonight. Legend advised me. Some legend, if I call their names, some of you will weep. Some of you, if you hear the names of legend, musical legend that advised me, some of you will weep. But I said no. But after this class, I'll release it for you guys tonight. Let's proceed. Okay. The next thing we have done, we have achieved that. Let me do it one more time for those of you that are behind. One more time for those of you that are behind. Let me do it one more time. One more time for those of you that are behind. So I'm going to undo it again and do it one more time. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go one more time. Just one more time before we get the result for the other ones we want to get tonight. Is that okay? One more time before we get the result for the other ones we want to get tonight. So let's go. So what you are going to do now, because somebody that might be there saying I didn't get it, let me do it one more time. One more time. Walk with me. Walk with me. So what you're going to do now, you click on the first formula result, the sales result you've gotten, which is the 350. And then you select both the 350 and the 600 to tell Excel exactly the formula you want to what you want to model, or you want to copy, or you're referencing to, anyone you want to call it, right? Then you go to that drop down on the left, on the right bottom side, the dot. You see that little dot? You see that little dot? Is that okay? You see that little dot? You go there on that little dot, and then you scroll down. Are we together? You go there and you drag it down. The moment you drag, hold your mouse. Sometimes it might do you as if you want to enter another line. Hold down your mouse, your left click, and or your trackpad, whether you're using a trackpad, whether you're using a mouse, hold it down, and then you release. Is that okay? The moment you release, is that okay? The moment you release, you're going to see your result. So now we have gotten our sales. Everybody, this is easy. This is easy. This is easy. Now we have gotten our sales. Let's now get the remaining result for our clients. Are you good now? Are you good now? Are you good now? Let's get the remaining result for our clients. Are you good now? 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 I'm doing this class, no sleeping. You can't sleep in this class. It is an error to sleep. It is an error to sleep. Are you good now? 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 Before we get into the next section, which we are going to get the answer or the result to all these, is that okay? Which we are going to get the result to all these. Let's sip something. Let's sip something. Sip. Just take two sips of your water, 2 sips of your juice. This one is going to be in 5 seconds. Let's go. Sip something. 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 Sip something to give you energy for the next, for the journey ahead. To give you energy for the journey ahead. Sip something. Sip something. Sip something. Sip something. For the married folks, if you're married, only for married people. If you're not married, please, this my message is not for you. This my message is not for you. For the married people, if you can just get a kiss from your wife, from your husband to give you energy for the next. Just a peck. I did not tell you to from there and lose focus. I did not say you should from there and lose focus. Just a peck from your wife, just a peck from just get energy. Let's enter the next section. Just a peck. Married folks, if you're not married, this is not your business. Married folks. Okay, okay. I believe we have sipped something. I believe we have sipped something. I believe we have sipped something. Good, 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 good. I believe we have sipped something. I believe you have sipped something. I believe you have sipped something. Thank you. Yes, precious. Thank God. Thank God. It's a good thing. Receive a kiss. Precious. Just a kiss. Don't lose focus. Receive a kiss and continue. Okay. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to find the total price now. Let's work together. We're going to find the total price now. So for the total price, how do we achieve the total price? We are still going now. This time around, we are going to use what we call functions. we are going to use what we call function. I just showed you how to use formulas by inserting your own formula into Excel. This time around, we are going to use what we call functions. Is that okay? Functions. We are going to use functions. We are going to use what we call functions. What are functions? Predefined formulas by Excel. So in order for us to get the total price, let's work with the functions now. Everybody, in order for us to get the total price, let's work with the functions now. So we are going to do now, we're going to do this. Everybody work with me. Everybody work with me, work with me, work with me, work with me. We are going to do this. We are going to get the function right now. So we are going to do this here. We want to get the function here. So we do equal to. Is that okay? Equal to, we want to get the total sum of this. Is that okay? We want to get the total sum of this. We want to quickly get the total sum of this. So we are going to do equal to. Are we together? Equal to, no. So once we do the equal, please guys, listen to me, listen to me, listen to me. Let me undo again so that you guys can follow me. Everybody, the moment you click on this cell under the total price, the moment you click on this cell under the total price, are you guys with me? If you guys are with me, say yes, right done. Just say right done. Let me know that you are done sipping, because all I can see on the comments is still those that are sipping. If you're with me, just say right done. Let me know you're done sipping and you're focused now. Is that okay? Let me know you're done sipping and focused. Just say right done. Let me know you're done sipping and you're now focused. Is that okay? Good. Good. So click on that cell for the total price, the result now. So everybody, once you click on that, go to your formula. Now, look at your formula. Where do you get the formula from? You're going to get the formula from, you see where you see auto sum. We want to get the total sum. And we want to use the predefined Excel formula. So where do we get the total sum? Everybody look at your toolbar. Go to the right-hand side of your toolbar. Are you seeing it? Just under the catch-up button, under the catch-up button, you will see something that looks like a funnel that says sort and filter, but that's not what we are choosing. Beside the funnel that says sort and filter, you're going to see beside the funnel 2 that says sort and filter, just by the left-hand side, you will see the auto sum 2. Can you see it? You will see the auto sum 2. Can you see it, guys? Come on, walk with me. You will see the auto sum 2. Can you see it, guys? Are you seeing the auto sum 2? Are you seeing the auto sum 2? You will see the auto sum 2. If you have seen the auto sum 2, put on the comment section. Yes, 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 yes. Are you seeing it? It looks like a sigma. It looks like a left sigma. Are we together? It looks like a left sigma. It's in between the filter 2 and the conditional formatting 2. It is in between the filter 2 and the conditional formatting 2. Come on, work with me. It is in between the filter 2 and the conditional formatting 2. It is in between the filter 2 and the conditional formatting 2. Have you seen it? Good, 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 good. So you look at it here. Look at where my mouse cursor is dangling. For those that have not seen it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. My mouse cursor is dangling over it. Look at it. So click on the drop down, and the first function we are going to be selecting is sum, because we want to get the total sum of price. Is that okay? We want to get the total sum of price. We want to get the total sum of price. So everybody click on that sum, and immediately you click on that sum, it will give you a formula already. But the formula that is giving us is wrong. So we want to edit the formula. So everybody click inside that formula it has given you. Come on, walk with me, guys. Walk with me. Don't get distracted. When we want to sip, we sip. But now we are in serious business. So don't get distracted. Is that okay? So now when you click on it, it will give you a formula. It will give you a formula, this total sum formula. But the range, this thing you see, C2, this thing you can see on my screen, C2 is to G2, is wrong. The total sum we want to get is for the column for price. We want to get the total sum for the column for price. So what is the total sum column? It's supposed to be, we want to set the range. It should give us the total sum. We want to do what? We want to set the range that Excel should give us the total sum. And the range is giving us is wrong. So what do we choose? Let's choose the correct range. Somebody give me the correct range on the comment. Someone that knows what I'm talking about. Someone give me the correct range. Someone should give me the correct range. Someone should give me the correct range. Those of you that know what I'm talking about. Someone should give me the correct range that we want to get the total sum for. Someone should give me the correct range. He's giving me the wrong range. I need someone that is understanding what I'm saying tonight to give me the correct range. Someone should give me the correct range tonight. Someone should give me the correct range tonight. Those that understand what I'm saying. So the correct range is supposed to be C2, which is from 350 down to 750. 350 down to 750. So what is 350? When you are setting the range, you are only picking the first item and the last range item. Are you with me? When setting the range, you are only picking the first item, the first range cell, and the last range cell. When setting the range, you are only picking the first range cell and the last range cell. Again, the first range cell and the last range cell. Again, the first range cell and the last range cell. Again, the first range cell and the last range cell. Again, first range cell and the last range cell. One more time. First range cell and the last range cell. Are you getting it? That is what you're picking. So let's get the first range cell. The first range cell, let's edit it. You can click on it to edit it. If you click outside, go and then click on that cell again to edit it again. Is that okay? So we'll click on it. The first range cell is C2 and the last range cell is C8 on mine. So mine is C2 and C8. So I'm going to choose C2 and C8. C2 is to C8. So I'm going to choose C2 is to C8. The moment you choose C2 is to C8, Excel will already show you the range of cell it wants to sum. Excel will already show you the range of cell it wants to sum for you. Excel will already show you or will show you the range of cells. So you check if it's correct before you click enter. Check if it is correct before you click enter. So you can see that it is giving me the correct range of cell. Are you seeing it highlighted with blue? Highlighted with blue. It is giving me the correct range of cell highlighted in blue. So I'm good. So let me click enter. So I'll select it and click enter. The moment I click enter, I get my total price. Shikina. My Hausa brother will say Shikina. Section Shikina. Those of you that are not from Nigeria, please, Nigerians, explain what it means. Shikina. Our Hausa brothers, please tell them what it means. Shikina on the comment section. Shikina on the comment section if you have gotten that. Shikina on the comment section. Yowa. Put Shikina on the comment section. Put Shikina on the comment section. Okay, okay. You have gotten it now. You have gotten it now. Put Shikina on the comment section. Okay, okay. Come on, can I see Shikina on the comment section? Let me know those that have gotten it. Okay. Yes. Put it on the comment section. Okay, thank you so much. So we have gotten the total price. Is that okay? So I want to believe everybody has gotten this. Let me do this one more time. Just for remember, at Ideal of It Data School, we said no man down, and we are very serious with our no man down policy. So there are some people here that might still be down and say, Mr. Favor Francis, I don't really get what you did. Mr. Favor Francis, the moment I'm just saying this thing, there is somebody coming to my head now. I don't know where you are. I'm seeing that you are on top of, you went to your neighbor's house. You went to your neighbor's house because of power supply. Ah, God, I'm a spiritual man. You went to your neighbor's house because of power supply. The name of the person that is coming to my head is Jessica. Jessica. You went to your neighbor's house because of power supply, and because you went to your neighbor's house, you are almost crying that you did not get it. Let your effort not be in vain. Jessica, I've heard you. Jessica, I've heard you. I'll do it again. Jessica, my spirit have clinched with yours. I've heard you, Jessica. Let me do it again, Jessica. Don't worry. Your effort to your neighbor's house will not be in vain, Jessica. I've heard you, Jessica. Let me do it again. So okay, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me now? That's actually how you do it. Can you hear me? That's actually how you do it. That's actually how you do it. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? I think I'm back. I'm back. My audio is back now. Can you hear me? That's actually how you do it. That's actually how you do it. My audio is back now, right? My audio is back now. That's actually how you do it. That's actually how, if you can hear me now, put it in the comment section. Back, 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 back. To show that I'm back. My audio is back now. Okay, so that's how you do. So let's do with the second one. Let's get the total quantity exactly the way we did for the first one, still using the sum. Let's get for the total quantity. Everybody, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Everybody will do the same thing. Come here, select the summation. Let's get for the total quantity for our client. It's the same thing, the same process. We find the summation icon, the summation 2. Look at where my mouse cursor is dangling. Where is the summation 2? It is beside the sort and filter 2, and it is by the left hand side to the sort and filter, and by the right hand side to the conditional formatting 2. It is at the left hand side to the sort and filter 2, and the right hand side to the conditional formatting 2. So we are going to click on that and select sum now. The same thing. So this time around, we want to get a range. So we are going to impute the range we are looking for. Is that okay? We want to get a range. So we're going to impute the range. So what's the range for the quantity? The quantity range is D2 column. How you identify a range is with the column sign. How you identify a range is with the column sign. So D2, how you identify a range is with the column sign. So D2 is to D8. Are you guys seeing this thing I'm doing? Is it simple? Is it ABCD from Ideal Innovate at all? Just pick your mind. Is this ABC? I want to believe that anybody that have been attentive, you've been listening to me, I want to believe that you have been getting this. I'm sure. I want to believe that you're getting this. And you click enter. 15. So the total quantity sold in the store for that week is 15. Is that okay? The total quantity sold. Somebody say, how do I delete a row on my Excel? Just right click on the row name. If you want to delete a row on your Excel, right click on the row name and you see the option that says delete row. So you go to the option delete row, they'll identify the name of the role and you delete it. That's all. Right click on the name of the role on the row name, which is the number one, number two, number three. Just right click on it and you delete. That's how to delete a row. The same thing with a column. You want to delete a column, right? Just click on the column, right click on the column, and you see the option that says delete the column alphabet. Is that okay? Good. Okay, good. So let's do for the total sales. Let's do for the total sales. Everybody work with me. Let's do for the total sales. So the same process for total sales. So we go click on total sales, select the sum again, select the sum, select. I'm happy that we are not leaving. This is the only class on the internet. Trust me, you can check anywhere. This is the only class on the internet that you are having a live call. I've not seen it happen before. We are having a live call and every single human being is following. This is the only class on the internet. Check. If you think I'm joking, check. Go to any live training class on the internet and you see how people are lost. This is the only class on the internet that you check and people, every single person is following. Celebrators. It's not easy. Celebrators is not easy. Celebrators is not easy. So the next thing, you select sum. And when you select sum, let's get the sum for the sales. So we are going to get the sum for the sales. So the sales sum will be E. It's going to be E2 and E8. For mine is E2 and E8. E2 and E8. E2 and E8 for mine. For mine is E2 and E8. Use yours. Use what your own cell is. Mine is E2 to E8. That's what I'm looking. E2 to E8. E2 to E8. And I'll click enter. And I'll get my total sales. Are you seeing it? E2 to E8. And I'll get my total sales for the client. I've gotten the total sales that happened that week for the client. I've gotten the total sales analysis that happened that week for the client. I've gotten the total sales function analysis that happened that week for the client. I've gotten the total sales analysis for the clients that happened that week. I've gotten the total sales analysis. So everybody, we are done with total. Let's now go to minimum sales. Let's find the minimum sales. Everybody work with me. Let's go to minimum sales. If you are at minimum sales now, everybody put on the comment section MIN. Put on the comment section MIN. Section MIN. If you're onto the minimum sales now, let's get the minimum sales for our client. Let's get the minimum sales for our manager. Let's get the minimum sales for our boss. Let's get the minimum sales for our boss. Let's get the minimum sales for our company. Let's get the minimum sales for the week for our organization. Let's get it. Okay, minimum sales. So let's work with the minimum sales. So we are done working with the sum, the function sum. So let's ask Excel to give us the formula for minimum sales. So everybody go back to that your formula again and look for mean, M-I-N. Look for mean, M-I-N. Look for mean, M-I-N. Look for mean, M-I-N. Don't worry, when you have a lot of data to do this thing for, that's when you appreciate what I'm doing. Right now, you just have only 7 data. That's why it's looking small. If you have like 2,000 data, you will see how this thing I'm doing will be a lifesaver to you. How you knowing how to do this in Excel, how to use function and formula in Excel will be a lifesaver to you. When you have a lot of data, we just have just few data here. That's why it's looking as if it's just for just 7 data. Most of the time, when you're working for organizations, it will be more than this. It will be more than this. Is that okay? So we'll go ahead, select the mean. We'll go ahead, select the minimum. Select here the minimum. And then what range are we looking for the minimum? We are looking for the minimum in the total sales range. So I will edit the range. So the range is E. The range is going to be E2 to E8 for mine. E2 to E8. That is the range I'm looking for the minimum sales. That is the range I'm looking for the minimum sales. That is the range. That is the range I'm looking for the minimum sales. That is the range I'm looking for the minimum sales. That is the range I'm looking for the minimum sales. So do yours. Everybody, do yours. Do yours. Do yours. Everybody, no man down. Do yours. The moment you do yours, you click enter and you get the minimum sales. So the minimum sales has been given to you right here. Do yours, do yours, do yours, do yours. The minimum sales have been given to you right here. Let's get for the maximum sales. Have we all done the minimum sales? Have we all done the minimum sales? Have we all done the minimum sales? If you have done the minimum sales, put in the comment section. Put in the comment section ABC, 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 ABC. Put on the comment section ABC, 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 ABC. If we have all done the minimum sales, put on the comment section ABC, 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 ABC. If we have all done the minimum sales, put on the comment section ABC, 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 ABC. If we have all done the minimum sales, put on the comment section ABC, ABC, ABC. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Put on the comment section ABC, ABC, ABC. Put on the comment section ABC, ABC, ABC. Okay, good, 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 good. I love this. I love you people. I love the energy. So let's go to the maximum sales. Let's do for 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 the maximum sales. So for the maximum sales, no man down. Thank you so much, Titilayo. Thank you for that. Thank you for our slogan, no man down. For the maximum sales, we select that place we want to place it. We want to get the result of the maximum sales. Go to our function again, our function 2. Go back to our function 2, and then this time around, we select max. M-A-X, we select max. M-A-S, we select max. M-A-X, we select max. We select max. Thank you so much. Max, thank you for finishing on time. We select max. So we're going to select max, and then we edit for max for the sales. E2 is to E8. And we click enter. We have gotten for max sales, max sales, max sales, max sales, max sales. Let's do the next one. Average sales, average sales. Let's do the next one. Average sales. No man down, no man down. That's the slogan right here. That's the slogan. It's only at Ideal Novelty we get the slogan. No other place. No man down. That's the slogan right here. That's the slogan we feast on. No man down. That's the slogan we feast on. That's the slogan we chew here at Ideal Novelty. So you select the result cell for average. Select the result cell for average, and then you go over, and then you select, and select average. Let's get the average sales for the week. So the average sale for the week for E2, for the range E2, for the range E2, for the range E2 to E8. The average sales for the week for the range E2 to E8. Everybody, let's make sure we are carrying each other along. Everybody, let's make sure we are carrying each other along. Everybody, let's make sure we are carrying each other along. Let's get the average sale. Enter. Wow, we have gotten the average sale. Come on. We have gotten the average. Come on, let me see you people do this. We have gotten the average sale. If you have been able to achieve it, come on. If you have gotten the average sale, come on, come on, come on. Come on, if you've gotten the average sale, come on, celebrate yourself. Celebrate yourself. Celebrate yourself. If you've gotten the average sale, celebrate yourself. If you've gotten the average sale, celebrate yourself. Celebrate yourself. Come on, this is simple. This is easy. I want to believe that you guys are getting this. Come on. This is how to use functions, formulas in Excel. Is that okay? Functions, formula in Excel. If you have gotten this, celebrate yourself. Let me do this one more time for those that we left behind. So let me just quickly undo and do all the minimum, maximum, and average one more time. So we're going to do this together as a family. We're going to do this together as a family again. For those that are left behind, you select the result cell. You go to the function 2. You go to the function 2 and you select what? Minimum, M-I-N. And then once you select minimum, you now change the range you want. You change the range. So for me, I'm looking at E2, which is the range of the sales, which is the E2, which is the first cell or the first range, and the last range, which is E8. And I'll click enter. So that is that for minimum sales. I'm going to do again. I'm going to do for maximum sales. Select the result area for maximum sales, and then select the drop down. I will do max. So it will be max. Maximum sales will be E. It will be E2 is to E8. I'll click enter. I've gotten the maximum sales, and then the average sale, which is the final one. I'm going to do for the average sales. I select the average, and then as I select the average, E2 is to, so I'll do for the average sales, E2 is to E8. I'll click enter, and that is how we got all our results. Celebrate yourself. Come on, at this junction, if you have been able to do this, you already have given, put it on your LinkedIn. Put the next thing I want to say on your LinkedIn. You are a professional functions and formula. You are a professional functions and formula strategic data analyst. Put it on your CV. Put it on your CV. Put it on your CV. Functions and formula strategic data analyst. Put it on your CV. Put it on your CV. You can defend it anywhere. Put it on your CV. CV. You can defend it anywhere. Put it on your CV. You can defend it anywhere. Put it on your CV. CV. You can defend it anywhere. Put it on your CV. Functions and formula strategic data. Make sure you don't omit that strategic. Make sure you don't omit that strategic. That strategic is the key word. Make sure you don't omit the strategic on your CV. Put it on your CV. Strategic data analysis. And make sure you don't omit the strategic. Are we together? You guys are wonderful. You guys are lovely. Because of you guys are able to achieve this, I'm going to give you guys my first single. I promise you guys. I promise you guys that everyone, I will drop my first single. I promise. So let me drop my first single. Let me show you guys the single that some of your top artists have been begging me to come and do tour with for them. Let me show you guys the single. They have begged me, the likes of top artists you know in Nigeria, the likes of Davido, with all these. Let me not call their names. I don't like exposing people here. Let me not expose people. Let me give you guys the vibe. Let me give you my first single. Let me give you guys the vibe. Let me go. Let's go. All right, now you see the better now. Let's go. You hear the better now. Let's go. My first single. Come on, celebrate me. My stage name is Zion 70. Let's go. My stage name is Zion 70. If I say Zion, put 70 on the comment. Let's go. If I say Zion, put 70 on the comment. Let's go. If I say Zion, put 70. Zion, put 70 on the comment. Let's go. I'm celebrating you guys. Let's go. Come on. If I say Zion, my first single, you guys are watching one single in town. Let's go. Let's go. Zion. Let's go. Zion. Let's go. Zion. Now, let's go. On the long term, I'm going to take you crazy. I'm not sorry. To the space. I'm now bed. I met this guy. Though he was like, he also so I played this song to Tupac. The first person that heard this my single was Tupac. He wanted to Roma. He wanted to Roma. He wanted to Roma. Tupac wanted to go crazy. Tupac wanted to go crazy. Let's go one more time. Let's go one more time. One day, on the one day, on the one time, oh, to the space, and I met this guy. Though he was nice, he wanted to rise. Yeah. The power this song. I put you to this song on that Friday with me. If I with me, I pity that person because of they will not hear the person's bedu. They will not hear the person's bedu. That's why I'm diligent. I don't want to belittle any artist. I don't want to belittle any artist. I don't want to belittle any artist. If I release this song, I pity who wants to release song with me that day. I pity who wants to release song with me that day. I pity with me that day. I just pity for the person's career because that career, if you don't know what is coming on in that, if I release this song, but that's why I've been patient. I don't want to release this song. I love you guys. You guys are wonderful. You guys are good. You guys are incredible. You guys are good. You guys are wonderful. I love you guys. 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 Okay. So today we are going to be calling it to an end here today. I love you guys. I love the energy. In the next section, we are going to be giving you your project, your next project, project 3, to do during the weekend. Make sure you don't miss Monday's class. Monday's class is going to be out of this world. Because of Monday's class, we are going to be doing what we call a double dose section. In Monday's class, we are going to be showing you how to use this knowledge of data analysis, how to find jobs, how to find remote works, how to find a lot of things. The reason why some people maybe are gatekeeping some things for you and you don't know. You don't know. And another thing again we're going to be showing you on Monday is that if you're here and you're finding a way to make you're here and you want to be making at least $4, $3 in a month, you in a day rather, you want to be making $4, $3, small money that will support your current finance. We are going to be showing you one way, completely free, on how to make money online. We are going to be showing you one way on how to make this money online. It is not crypto. You're not tapping anything. For those of you that like to tap, this is a legit way on the internet where you are going to, for those of you in Nigeria, you want to make as little as 3,000, 4,000 naira daily. You want to just have this little source of income. It is not something that is going to make you a millionaire. You're not going to be a millionaire. Is that okay? You're not going to be a millionaire with this strategy. It's just for those that needs a little source of income to help them or to add to what they already have. As little as $3, $4, $2, you want to be making this little income in a day. We are also going to be showing you, is that okay? We are also going to be showing you on Monday. Make sure Monday's class is a class, I call it a no-miss class. A no-miss class. If you miss Monday's class, you're on your own. If you miss Monday's class, you're totally on your own. If you miss Monday's class, you're on your own. Monday's class is a no-miss class. We are going to be pouring that out on Monday, and it's going to be out of this world. I love you guys so much, and you know how we do it. At the end of our program, we are finished shouting. So let's switch. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much. It has been an incredible time. I had fun with you guys, and I believe you had fun too. So make sure you watch the video again. If there's something you missed out, the video is on YouTube. The link will be sent to your community. And if you haven't done any test, the test one, the test two, or maybe your project that was given, I think two projects has been given right now. So if there's any project you're still leaving behind, you want to do yourself a favor and make sure you go complete those projects. You're going to be giving another project for the weekend that will keep you busy for the weekend. So you want to make sure that when you get the project, you want to make sure you do that as well. We love you guys from the bottom of our heart and want to believe that you guys love us too, right? For what we are doing right here. So make sure you don't stop. Make sure you keep practicing. Do something on your own. Practice on your own. That is what is going to make you better every day, every hour, every time. Is that okay? So make sure you're practicing. Make sure you're doing something incredible. Make sure you're not stopping. Make sure you're telling yourself, no matter how tired you are, tell yourself, I can, I will, and I must. And make sure you take your test. So the test for tonight is going to be posted. It's going to be pinned. It's going to be posted on your platforms. Is that okay? So it's going to be posted on your platforms. It's going to be posted on your platform, on your WhatsApp platform, your Telegram platform, and it's also going to be pinned on this YouTube, right? It's going to be pinned on this YouTube as well. Is that okay? So make sure once you get your test, make sure you do the test. It's very important you do your test. Your test is a way of marking your attendance. Is that okay? So if you're not doing your test, right, it just shows that you're not participating in this training. So it's a way of marking your attendance. So the test tells us that yes, you were in class and you were participating on this training. Is that okay? So please do yourself that favor and do your class, right? Do yourself that favor. I trust you guys. I know that you guys are ready and you guys will achieve the reason why you're here. And finally, at Ideal Novate, remember that learning is the foundation to innovation. My name is still remain Favor Francis, and have a wonderful night until we see you in the next section on Monday. Have a good night rest. Good night, guys. I love you guys. Good night.